Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Apple Maps in CarPlay. Now, first, for example, you wanted to go on to specific destinations using the address onto your email, text messages, contacts, calendars, and more. You can also search for a locations. You can use locations you save as your favorite in the collections and find nearby attractions and services. You also use your Siri and say something like, find a gas station, give me directions to home, take me to the Golden Gate Bridge, or you can use your vehicle's built-in controls to open maps in CarPlay and select a route. And with the maps open in CarPlay, do one of the following, like select a place you save as your favorite, select destination, select search, then select the speaker icon to speak and search for a phrase, or select the keyboard icon to use on-screen keyboard if available only, wherein you can also select destinations from a category or nearby services, such as parking or restaurants. And then to start turn on by directions, select on go. And then all you need to do is to follow the directions and able for you to go on to that place. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.